Welcome to another video in our series on the foundations of traditional Chinese medicine. The Treasure of Qi, Part 3, Rhythms and Continuity. After exploring routine and adaptation, we will dive into the deep need for structure and how the rhythms of nature govern the treasure of the human being. The human being does not have the capacity to live in permanent chaos. Our nervous system and our qi were not designed for a state of constant alert. We need the perception that tomorrow will have continuity. This sense of predictability, even though we know total control is an illusion, is vital for our psyche and our physiology. Biologically, we are governed by circadian rhythms. Our body is a biological clock of absolute precision. It expects sleep when the light fades and expects food at times consolidated by habit. The secretion of melatonin for rest or gastric juices for digestion are material proof that our qi follows a pattern. When we systematically break these schedules, we are not just changing plans, we are disorienting ourselves and fragmenting our treasure of qi. Every human being needs an anchor that connects them to the earth. In traditional Chinese medicine, the earth represents our center, our capacity to process and distribute energy. This anchor manifests in a network of structured behaviors, living in a constant place, having a profession with expected dynamics, and maintaining solid relationships with a core of familiar people. Knowing that tomorrow will have similar outlines to what we live today allows our qi to settle. It is like a tree that can only grow toward heaven if its roots are firm and motionless in the earth. Without this geographic, professional, and relational stability, our qi disperses. Living in constant shock, in continuous changes without roots, consumes our reserves and takes away our inner peace. It is an invisible but deeply corrosive wear. It may seem like a contradiction to say that we must be elastic and adaptable, as we saw in the previous video, and at the same time require a regular and disciplined structure. But in truth, these two aspects are two sides of the same coin. Discipline is not the opposite of freedom. Discipline is what allows freedom. Having a solid structure and an organized life routine does not prevent adaptation. On the contrary, it gives us the necessary foundation of security so that when inevitable change arises, we can flow with it without losing ourselves in the abyss of the unknown. Those who have a firm center can lean without falling. Living the treasure of qi is therefore the art of integrating these three dimensions. 1. Having a daily routine that anchors us in the physical body. 2. Having the mental elasticity to embrace life's challenges. And 3. And respecting the biological and social structure that connects us to the earth. When we honor these cycles, we stop fighting against the current of life and begin to flow with it. Your qi stops being an energy in effort and becomes a reflection of the harmony between your internal world and the sovereign rhythm of the universe. We have explored qi, the treasure of man. In the next great chapter of the San Bao, we will climb a step in subtlety to meet Shen, the treasure of the spirit, the consciousness that illuminates everything we have built so far. Until then, keep your rhythm, steady your anchor, and protect your treasure.